Welcome to the first episode in our Carpentry series. Today, we're starting with a big picture overview, the role of a carpenter in the modern construction industry. Whether you're just getting started or expanding your knowledge, understanding this foundation sets the stage for every skill you will learn next. Most people think a carpenter just cuts wood and builds walls, but without carpenters, almost every part of a building would collapse in scheduling, accuracy, and structure. In today's episode, you'll learn what carpentry truly means in the modern construction industry, why carpenters are essential on every job site, the different types of carpenters, and the skills and responsibilities expected in today's trade. Let's start your carpentry journey.
Carpentry is one of the oldest construction trades, but today it's more advanced, technical, and essential than ever. A modern carpenter shapes almost every stage of a building: structural framework, layout and leveling, door and window installation, roof systems, cabinets, stairs, and trim. Carpenters work in residential construction, commercial buildings, industrial projects, remodeling, maintenance, and repair. Their work requires precision, problem-solving, tool mastery, and an understanding of materials and building systems. Why carpenters are essential? Carpenters are often the first trade to start and the last trade to finish a project. The trade is essential because carpenters handle layout and marking the exact locations of walls, openings, centers, and elevations, framing the floors, walls, roofs, and structural members, ensuring everything is plumb, level, and square, coordinating with the team and aligning work for electrical, plumbing, and mechanical, building the temporary supports, bracing, and safety barriers, perform the finishing work including doors, trim, cabinetry, stairs, and hardware. If a carpenter's layout is off by even half an inch, every trade after them is affected. This is why carpenters are considered the backbone trade in construction.
Today's carpenter works with both traditional and advanced tools. Traditional tools like hammers, hand saws, levels, chisels, and measuring tapes. And modern tools like laser layout systems, digital blueprints on tablets, impact drivers, nail guns, engineered lumber systems, and specialty fastening systems. Modern carpenters must adapt to rapid schedules, complex plans, advanced materials, and detailed finish standards. This makes carpentry a trade that is both technical and hands-on.
Now let's talk about the different types of carpenters. Rough carpenters build the structure, framing floors, walls, and roofs. Finish carpenters install trim, molding, casings, doors, cabinetry, and stairs. Formwork carpenters build molds for concrete foundations, beams, columns, and slabs. Commercial carpenters work with steel studs, suspended ceilings, fire-rated systems. Residential carpenters work on houses, additions, renovations, and tenant improvements. Cabinet makers, mill workers, build and install custom cabinetry, countertops, and wood products. Maintenance carpenters perform repairs and upgrades in schools, hospitals, apartments, and facilities. Each specialization has unique skills, techniques, and tools, giving the trade flexibility and long-term career paths.
Daily responsibilities of a carpenter. A typical day involves reading blueprints, measuring and marking layout lines, cutting, shaping, and assembling materials, installing structural components, using hand and power tools, checking accuracy with squares, levels, and lasers, maintaining safety protocols, coordinating with other trades. Carpenters also solve field conflicts when plans and real-world conditions do not match. Successful carpenters show reliability and punctuality, strong teamwork, respect for safety rules, pride in accurate workmanship, clean, organized work habits, clear communication with supervisors, ability to work efficiently without compromising quality. The carpenter's work sets the standard for the rest of the project. Carpenters are involved in nearly every phase of construction: pre-construction, layout, temporary structures and bracing, foundations, formwork and structural preparation, framing, floors, walls, and roofs, exterior installation, sheathing, siding, windows, and doors. Interior work, insulation, support for drywall, cabinets, and trim. Final punch-out, repairs, adjustments, and finishing touches. Carpenters guide the project from the first layout line to the last piece of trim. Picture a commercial job site where the carpenters lay out a series of offices. If the first wall is off by even half an inch, the entire corridor shifts. The electrical team arrives and finds their conduit locations don't align with the stud bays. The HVAC team struggles to fit ductwork. Drywall doesn't meet cleanly. Suddenly, the project is behind schedule. This happens not because other trades made mistakes, but because the initial carpentry layout wasn't precise. That's why carpenters are critical to the success of every trade that follows.
Carpenters are essential to the modern construction industry. They provide structure, accuracy, coordination, and finishing work. The trade combines craftsmanship with modern tools and technology. And carpentry offers diverse paths, from framing to formwork to fine finish work. This foundation prepares you for the skills we'll cover in the rest of the series. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing so you can follow the entire carpentry series.